doing pretty good today. So what ICO are we talking about today?
Today we're going to be talking about the Friend operating system. It's a blockchain cloud operating system, which is super cool. We actually got a chance to play with it earlier. We were going to try to do our video with it, but unfortunately it did not work for us. They did mention that it is rough around the edges. We liked it. We liked how well it was working, except we couldn't connect and stay connected, so we had to use other means.
Yeah, it was functioning very well until the video. So I don't know, I liked it overall just playing with it. It was kind of fun. It kind of looked like the Linux platform, but that was pretty cool to me, just because I played on the Linux platform for a while. But yeah, this place was interesting. So this is something that is a cloud-based system, basically.
Exactly.
They're going to be able to have a store. They're going to be able to use their friend coin tokens at their store. And what it is developers can develop something, post it on the store, or just post it on the cloud so it is able to be used for the people that he or she wants them to use.
Right. It's a write once, use everywhere platform, which is really cool. It goes by anyone who has a browser, so you can run it on your Android smartphone, your iPhone, Windows, Linux. You mentioned it. You can run it as long as you have a browser, which is really cool that how they're setting it up like that. It's great for a developer to be able to develop it once and then it being used everywhere. So I love that idea. And then looking at it, they even have integration with Word and different Microsoft platforms that I already use. So it's pretty cool that way as well.
Yeah. I mean, what is it? The simple word processor that they have on there that I was playing with for a little while. I think this is pretty interesting. They are the business that they are that created them is actually reason why they are coming out. They're called the Friend Network AS.
It looks like all of them or a bunch of them are from Norway. I got through the CEO and some of the different officers. Pretty good background. I mean, this has been being developed since 2014. And now, with the internet going the way it's going, it's the ability to have it all online is amazing. For your employees, for anyone you need to share software with, it can now be all online. You can connect to it from anywhere and then use the computing power of the server to get whatever you need done.
Yeah, showing information to businesses all around the world, all your CEOs or all your people in charge can be like, all right, where is it? Oh, check this document. Let's do this. Yeah, I agree. It makes business meetings a little bit easier, I could imagine.
Right, if it works, it looked promising for sure. And it might have been our problem here, so I'm not sure about that. It did look super cool, though. I was excited to be able to use it. I love the integration with Google Cloud. I use Google Drive.
Yep.
And a lot of Google products there, but you can allow that to be basically your hard drive, and it'll integrate with those systems, the different cloud systems already available.
The store says that you'll be able to try, if you need, you're going to be able to buy extra hard drive space or extra space, extra work, just things that are just going to be available with this friend token. I actually saw an example on their white page actually was kind of cool. So let's say a teacher or someone that wants to teach something goes out and teaches something, uses one of the software that's on this platform, and what they're going to do is then they're going to, charge the people that are going to the class, and how they're going to distribute is a certain percentage is going to go to the software developer. A certain percentage is going to go to the person that's the teacher, and then a certain percentage is going to go to the service provider. So,
and that gives incentive for people to keep on writing software on it.
keep on writing software.
Yeah, not only are they making it easy by making it a one write use anywhere system, but they're also offering incentive with their tokens.
It's going to keep it going. It makes it so everyone's making money, and it's not like you're selling the product to someone, because now you're getting, well, 25% of every time that's used, or whatever percentage that they want to call it. So
right.
I could just imagine making a great product, and as long as everyone's upvoting and everything's going the right way, it could be amazing for a lot of developers out there that don't have a big name that could get there. And we're also going to have a group that's designed for the rigorous app testing that you could actually pay for them to, like, they're going to have it displayed with the badge of people like the trusted, the tested apps, just to make sure, like, hey, these are the ones that we tested personally. These are the, I would like to call it the advertised apps, basically, that I paid for someone to, well, test my app to make sure it functions.
Right, like verified programs, verified apps on their store. Yeah, and now let's talk about the coin. So why, if they've been developing this since 2014, why are they creating a token now? I think it's to further. I'm sorry. Yeah, absolutely, and it's going to further help development. They're creating 2 billion tokens, I believe. And,
yes, 2 billion.
Right, and most of those, I think 82% or something, is going to
the crowd sale.
The crowd sale. So that's going to be the funds that they bring up.
The current team.
And the what?
6% is going to the current team.
Right, for staying with it for so long, I'm sure. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. It is an ERC20 coin, so it is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Unfortunately, Ethereum's not doing great right now, but we all see that.
I mean, it goes up and down on the exchanges every week.
Right. So hopefully that turns around, and when it does, I'm sure these guys are going to be doing awesome.
I'm actually looking forward to using this. I want this token to be going through soon. They are going till December. Their ICO doesn't end till mid-December. Yeah, I mean, I'm ready to see how it works when they keep developing everything. I would like to actually use their platform for this video chat because it did kind of look cool.
It did, for sure. I agree with you completely. And, being able to log on from anywhere and using the computing power of the server. It is open source software, so you can download it and make a copy and put it on your server and use it with other users. And that helps, because not everyone's going to have the same software or to get it installed on their computer. So, to connect to it through a browser on the system and have all that software that they need already there is, that's the value of this for sure.
I agree. This company is also working with, or they're operating with tier 1 lawyers and the Norwegian government to make sure they're following all the laws that are around the world, all the different laws. I mean, they're going to need lawyers to just make sure. I mean, their tokens coming into the United States, their tax laws are going to be a little different from, well, everywhere else. So they are working with a lot of lawyers to make sure. I mean, it looks like they want to be perfect before they come out. They're not going to come out with a whole, or it seems they're not going to come out with a whole lot of bugs after their ICO or when they're done. It looks like they're working hard to make sure they're crossing all their T's, dotting all their I's, making sure that their laws are going to be well, fine and dandy. It is kind of cool. Like, they also do, like, so they want to lower the transaction fees if, like, you're using something else besides the friend token. So there's going to be like a 15% transaction fee if you are using not a friend token. But the token purchases have no fee, and they're completely anonymous. So
I see this being an awesome project. They have a roadmap that goes out till 2022 or something like that. So I mean, they're obviously planning ahead, and they hard on it. Definitely deserve that 6%, and hopefully it's in their best interest that the token goes up in value to get it going.
I agree. Yeah, I mean, I think that's overall the platform. I mean, it is, so you go to friendup.cloud and you can actually test it out on their website. So, and they're, I mean, ready. They'll send you an email and you go through their email and you start it up, and yeah, you can use their word processor. You can play some games that they already have on there and check out some of the apps that are already in development.
All right. And obviously we already did that, so you should try it as well, and share your feedback with us for sure, because knowledge is power, and that's why we do these little videos to share the information that we've already looked up and to do our little discussions that we do anyway. So thank you for listening. Please share, tweet,
Follow us.
Follow us for sure. We need followers. Yes.
We are the RTL brothers.
Subscribers. We are the RTL brothers. If you enjoy these little videos, then let us know. Yeah, we're not asking for any money from you or anything like that, but definitely let us know if we could do anything to help out. But if you want to donate, I mean, I guess
I'm for sure we can figure something out. I appreciate everything, though. Have a good night, Rob.
This is not financial advice, by the way. Not financial advice. We're not telling you to put any money anywhere. So, do your own research, please. Still.
But we do like to have these discussions.
Yes. All right, TJ. Thank you for talking. Have a wonderful night.
All right. I'll see you later.
Okay. Bye.